Starlight here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a DIY ping pong set. DIY means do it yourself. So let's get started. You're going to need a couple of things. You'll need some paper plates, some pop sticks, a piece of paper, some sticky tape, and whatever you'd like to decorate your ping pong bat with. I'm going to use textures. Now the first thing you want to do is decorate the back of your paper plate. That's going to become your ping pong bat. I think I'm going to draw a rocket ship on mine. You can decorate it however you like. You could draw some of your favourite things, you could draw a rainbow, you could do a silly pattern, whatever you like. That's the fire coming out of my rocket ship. And I'm going to give it some little blue wings just like my rocket ship. And a little window. And then I think I'm going to draw some stars because this rocket ship is flying through outer space. There we go. My paper plate is all decorated with a rocket ship. Now we have to stick a pop stick on the other side of the paper plate so that you have something to hold it with. This is the part where you'll need some sticky tape. You want to make sure you put a lot on so your pop stick doesn't fly off while you're playing ping pong. There we go. Now that our bat's finished, we're going to have to make a little ball to play ping pong with. That's what the paper plate is for. That's what the piece of paper's for. You're going to get it and you're going to crunch it up really, really tight until it's in the shape of a little ball. And then you're going to get heaps and heaps of sticky tape and wrap it around so that it doesn't unfold. Right, I'm just going to do a bit of that and then I'll just... you might need an adult's help for this part so you don't get too covered in sticky tape. All right. There we go. Now I've got my ping pong ball and my ping pong bat. Let's go play some ping pong. All right guys, I'm all ready. I've got my ping pong bat and my ping pong ball, and we even made our own cool DIY ping pong net with some pop sticks and some ribbon that we found in the craft cupboard. But you could make yours out of anything. You could even like line up all of your stuffed toys to be the net for you. So I've got everything I need, but I just need someone to play ping pong with me.
I'll challenge you! Bring it on!
Oh no, Captain Starlight, the real winner was craft.
Yeah!